Hello viewers, welcome to Nushu Academy. I discuss a quant question in this video. This is collected from GMAT official guide 2022. So we looked the question. The last year $48,000 of certain store's profit was shared by its two owners and their 10 employees. So there are 10 employees and two owners, and their profit is $48,000. So we have need to find out the clue. Each of the two owners received three times as much as of their 10 employees. This is the condition. How much did each owner receive from the $48,000? So we should find out 1% or one value. Okay, this is according to the condition. Each of the two owners receive three times. Suppose we have 10 employees. Our percent is 10x, and the two owners receive three times. Three times means thrice x plus thrice x. This is the two part for two owner, and this is the for employees. So the total sum is $48,000. So we can easily calculate the x value. So one employee get $3,000 from the profit. So one owner receive thrice x equal thrice multiplied by $3,000. So the actual value is $9,000 for owners. So the answer is option B is correct, and the value is $9,000. Okay, thank you very much.